At Service Sanitation, we've always been about innovation and finding new ways to better serve our communities. Since the beginning, we've made great strides in our CRM process, our GPS and route planning technology, and now it's time for our delivery service to take a gigantic leap forward. Today, we're incredibly excited to announce our first step in this transition. We've partnered with a leading drone manufacturer to automate and accelerate our delivery times. This new delivery process was imagined with custom flight technologies, real-time streaming capabilities, and performance that is compliable with FAA guidelines, all while being strong enough to withstand the load of a standard-sized portable restroom. Drone delivery is a breakthrough service for the portable restroom industry. Our approach with drone delivery was to provide industry-leading service while focusing on achieving more by saving time and resources. As a result, drone delivery offers more responsive reaction times and overall a smaller carbon footprint. Over the next couple of years, we plan to transition our delivery method from truck and trailer to purely drone technology delivery.